Yeah, by the way, as you can see, there is the cutting mode. Yeah, the cutting mode can cut the soft tissue directly, and it is also can cut the humerus. If you are interested in the humerus removal surgery, yes, you can text on our live streaming, and we will introduce you guys our humerus removal function. And now I will introduce you guys our the police function. As you can see, this is our the police interface. Yeah, and for this machine, yeah, the standard power for the 980 nanometer is 30 watts. As you can see, it's very easy to adjust. So you just need to choose the 980 nanometer button, and when you choose it, the button will become the pink. Yeah, and then press the energy here, and adjust the power. Yeah, from 1 to 30. Yeah, like this. It's very easy to adjust, and the power for the 980 nanometer is 30 watts, and for the 1470 nanometer, yeah, as we all know, the 980 nanometer is for remove fat, and the 1470 nanometer is for skin rejuvenation, and you can address to the 1417 nanometer from 1 to 1 to 18 watts, like this. Yeah, and some customer always ask us, yeah, if they want to, yeah, combine these two wavelengths, work together or separated. Yeah, our new systems can meet your request. You can use a single wavelength, or combine these two wavelengths together or separated. It's very easy. If you want to combine these two wavelengths together, you just need to press the 980 nanometer and 1470 nanometer, yeah, together. Yeah, when these two buttons become the pink, it means these two wavelengths were working. Yeah, will work together. Yeah, after you buy our data machine, you will receive this. This is the fiber for the police treatment. Yeah, and we had many different sizes of these fibers. For example, we have 400 fiber, 600 fiber, and 800 fiber. If you have, yeah, if you want more different size of the fiber, it's okay. Please contact us. Yeah, we will send you other size of the fibers for you. Yeah. So, and as you can see, now I will introduce how to install fiber on our laser machine. Yeah. And before install fiber on our laser, as you can see, here is our fiber, and the length of the fiber is 3 meters. Yeah. And this part is the bell fiber, and this part is the white cover. This white cover is to protect the bell fiber. So before you do the treatment, you need to peel off the white cover by hand. Yeah. And then now I will show you how to install fiber on our laser machine. Before you to install fiber or other handle, yeah, we suggest you turn off the machine. And as you can see, here is a handle connector. Yeah, you just need to screw it like this. And don't worry about the installation. It's very easy. Of course, we will send you the detailed installation video to teach you how to install fiber or handle on our laser machine. It's very easy. You just install fiber like this. Yeah. And when you install handle or fiber on the laser machine, please turn on the machine again. Yeah, if you want to put your logo on our laser machine, it's okay. Please send us your photo, yeah, of your clinic name or your logo. Yeah, we can put your logo for on our systems for you for free. Yeah, as you can see here. Yeah, when you turn on the machine and you can yeah, you can click the police interface again. Yeah, for example, if you are interested in the face treatment, yes, you can. Yeah, you can. With just you can use the fiber only to do the face treatment. For example, to remove the fat on the cheek or do the neck lift on with the fiber only. It also can remove the eye bags. Yeah, through the you can use fiber to remove the eye bags or yeah remove double tree. Yeah. So if you are the first time to do this kind of treatment, don't worry about it because we will send you the detailed parameters of our all functions, especially for the left because we will offer the facial treatment parameter and the body treatment parameter. So you don't worry about treatment. It's very easy. Yeah. For example, if you wanted to remove the fat on the cheek, I would suggest you can use the 5 watts when you are the first time to do this kind of treatment. Yeah. You can adjust the power to 5, and there are, as you can see, there are 3 working mode. The first mode is the CW mode. Yeah, the CW mode means your laser will working during treatment. And the next is pulse mode, and the last one is the single mode. Yeah, we stress you to choose the CW mode when you do the analog treatment because you need to ensure that your laser uh, will keep working during your treatment. Yeah, and as you can see, there is a read. This button is to control the brightness for the of the red light. You can adjust the red light higher, like this. Yeah, so that you will see the red light is very clearly. So that when you do the treatment on face treatment like this, it's very clearly even if even even the fiber insert the patient's treatment site, you will see very clearly which part the fiber has done. Yeah, it's very clearly and very safe. But if you adjust the brightness of the fiber lower, like this, it's very hard. It's very hard to see like this. So if you insert a fiber like this, it's very hard to see which part and the fiber had already, yeah, to remove the fat. Yeah, you don't know which part you have already done. Yeah, so it's just when you use this function, you can adjust the power to the higher, yeah, like this. Yeah. And after you buy our laser machine, we will send you a professional glasses. As you can see here is the glasses. Yeah, this glasses is for the operators. Yeah. And this glasses can protect operators' eyes. Yeah. As you can see, it's very professional. Yeah. And and because the fiber of the police treatment is consumable, so our customer always ask us how many treatments, yeah, can do with one fiber. Yeah, and if you only do the face treatment, yeah, one fiber can do about 15 to 60 treatments. Yeah, and when you And when you finish your treatment, you must to cut off the used part of the fiber, and we will also send you this professional fiber to cut off the used part of the fiber. This is a professional scissor to cut off the used part fiber. Like this is very easy. You just need to cut it off. And don't worry about how to cut the used fiber off. Because we will send you the video to teach you how to um how to cut it. Yeah. And before or after you do the treatment, the most important thing is to disinfect the fiber. And don't worry about how to disinfect the fiber, because we will also send you the detailed document to teach you how to disinfect the fiber. And if you are interested in the body treatment, we stress you can combine fiber and this blue handle. This blue handle is our police handle. You can combine this, and when you receive the blue handle, you will also receive 5 sizes of these needles. Yeah, you will receive five different sizes of these needles to help you to do different treatment sites. And it is also very easy to install. Yeah, just to put a fiber here. And don't worry about the installation, because we will send you the video to teach you how to do it. And if you want a training service, of course it's okay, because we have many customers all over the world. Yeah, if you are interested in the training service, you can send us a message, and after you buy our laser machine, we will send you the doctor's information after you buy our laser machine. So don't worry about the training series. If you want this series, we will introduce you the professional doctors to teach you everything. And we will also send you the parameters for the face and the body, to help you get the best results. And those parameters are offered by our very professional doctors. Yeah. If you want to do the body treatment, you can combine fiber and police handle like this. And you just need to insert the fiber to the treatment site and keep moving. And one face treatment will take about 5 to 8 minutes, and one body treatment will take about 20 to 30 minutes. It depends on the fat, how much fat on your treatment site. Yeah, and then if you have more questions about our functions, you can contact us. We will send you the detailed information. Yeah, our laser machine has 10 functions. And the next, our colleague Kayla will introduce you our other functions to you.
Hi everyone, this is Kayla, and next I will introduce you our other functions. I will introduce our police functions, and then next I will introduce our systems first, and then introduce other functions handles for our machine. We have total 10 functions, and before that we can add a logo for the resistance for free. So that if you want to add, so that you can add the logo, for example, your names, your clinic logos, as long as you send us the photos of your logos, then we can help you add it. So that when you receive your machine and turn on the machine, you will see your logos 2 to 3 seconds, and then you will see the language option systems. There are and our standard language is English and Spanish. Also, you can tell us what language you want, then we can help you to change it. Also, for the flags is dependent to the language. If you want to put other flags, we also can help you to change it. And this is our new systems. This is our new systems, and as you can see, the first page with the 6 functions. And when we press the next, you will see other functions. And also, we received a blank. We received a black pink, so that if you want to put other function names, then we can put on it. And next, I will and for our new systems, as you can see, our reports we can 90 nanometer and 1470 nanometer work at the same time and also can work separately. For example, when we press the 90 nanometers and for this case from blue to pink, then we press the standby. This means single wavelength work. Single wavelength is working, and when you press these two wavelengths at the same time, and then press the standby, that means two wavelengths work at the same time. So this is very convenient, and when you do treatment, you can choose two wavelengths work at the same time, and you can choose the single wavelength to work. And for this case, is to press the red light brightness. As you can see, when I turn down the red light and then press the standby, you can see there is no red light from the fibers. And when I turn up the red light, as you can see, the red light, but the red light is not related to the energies. It's just to aim the treatment part. For example, when we do the lipolysis treatment, we need to insert the fibers to the skin, so that we can know where the fibers are. For example, when we do the treatment with the physical therapies, then we can remove it and know when we treatment when the where the treatment areas we are treatment now. And next, I will introduce our dental functions. For our dental functions is in our second page. And this is our dental handles. As you can see, our dental handles is one handle with 4 treatment tips. But this one is our cutting of the tissue tips, which is the needles with the fibers. So we can cut in the softer tissues. So when you buy our dental handles, you will receive 4 sets of these needles. And this is our whitening teeth tips. This is the oral therapies, which is the external oral therapies. To physical therapies, to speed up healings, to skin rejuvenations. And this is also our other oral therapies, which can internal oral therapies, and the skull size is different with these tips. So when you use these 2 tips, you can use the different energies to do the treatment because their skull size is different. And for example, when we do the physical therapies, the skull size is also very important. Depends for the treatment effect. When we set the same energies, but the skull size is different. When the skull size is smaller, then the treatment effect, the power will be higher and the treatment effect will be better. And next, I will install our dental handles to the machine. and install the each treatment tips. And when we replace the fibers and the handles, it's better to turn off the machine first. And as you can see, each of our fiber, handle, and the machines, the connector have the protect caps. So when we don't use it, must remember to cover it. And install our dental handles. And as you can see, for our these systems, the dental functions, the wavelength is a single wavelength. Also, if you want to choose the dental functions for two wavelengths, or you want to use other wavelengths in these functions, you also can tell us, and we can help you to produce it. And next time we will install. I will install the instrument tips. First, I will install the teeth whitening tips. As you can see, each of our five handles for our dental handles and the different treatment tips, we have the protect caps in the tips. So when we don't use it, must remember to cover it to avoid the dust. And next time, then it's very easy to operation it and install it. And next, I will test it. And for our energies, we can up to the 30 watts. And as for the in the market for other companies, machine. Dental laser machines, their energies only have the 5 to 7 watts, but we have the 30 watts. So that the treatment effect of the teeth whitening will be better, because the energy is higher, the treatment effect will be better, and when you do the treatment, the patients will not feel very hot and they will feel very comfortable. And next, I will test